Today I'm bringing to you guys another Philips product, Sonicare DiamondClean toothbrush. This is a twin pack. I bought it from Amazon for 280 Australian dollar or 200 US dollar. In this video I will show you an unboxing, close-up look of the toothbrush. Also I will share my 2-month experience about using the toothbrush. After that I will show you some very specific items about the toothbrush, including the sound, the vibration, and the cleaning. Feel free to jump to any specific section of the video. Leave comments and questions how you enjoy. Let's start. You got a pair of Sonicare toothbrush, and then a hat for each, and then a hat for each of the tongue clean. Then you got a charger, some warranty paper as usual, warnings, charger, very solid glasses, wall plug. This roughly around .90 centimeter, roughly 35 inch. One charger, toothbrush. Obviously I have this has been open and I have been using it for 2 months now. It's a pink one. It's a black one. Put it off. Put in. Ready to go. Very strong vibration. It does recommend it to charge the set 24 hours before use. Got 3 years warranty. Got a couple of functions you can cycling through, from clean, whitening, polish, gum clear, sensitive. while normal use is this clean, it lasts for 2 minutes, and the rest lasts for a variety of time from 3 minutes to 1 minute. And initial experience, this is very heavy. It's far more heavy than a normal toothbrush because it's got mechanics and battery, and you need to get a bit of time to get used to the weight. The second thing is the vibration is very strong. It's almost splash the water all around. It's like you're going to the dentist and the water can splash out of your mouth if you are not paying attention. And the other thing I need to mention is when you brush your teeth, for a traditional toothbrush, you do up and down, but for this one you just run through 45 angle, run through your teeth rather than brush it. That's something you need to actually get used to. But after 2 months of use, it's quite good. The most benefit for me is it can reach to the end of my teeth, the very end, and you can clean all the teeth, including the end to the wisdom teeth. Very solid build. It built last for 3 weeks usage. I use it morning and evening, twice a day, for 2 minutes each time. It lasts me around 3-4 weeks per charge. Each charge will take 24 hours, a little bit over than 24 hours. You just pop it into here, and then plug it in. If it just charge. Every time when you start, you just press it once, you start. If you want to go through different cycle, you can go to the second one. It got a slightly different vibration, and then you can cycle it through. But next time if you start it starts from the one you finish. So if you get used to one of the particular type of brushing style, every time you just start, stop, start, stop. That's it. You don't need to cycle it through if you get used to one of the particular one. In terms of each of the mold, the first one is the one I'm using most often. It lasts for 2 minutes. It says its ultimate is plaque removal. And the second mode is the white mode, the whitening mode of 2 minutes to remove surface stain, plus additional 30 seconds to brighten and polish your front teeth. The third mode is polish. It's a quick mode for 1 minute to brighten and polish your front teeth. And the fourth one is gum care, complete mode. Combine clean mode with an additional minute to gently stimulate and massage your gum to improve gum health. So this one lasts for 2 plus 1 minute. And the last one is sensitive, so extra gentle mode for sensitive teeth and gums. Personally, I when I start using it, I use sensitive because the vibration is too strong, but after a couple of days I changed to clean, and I've been using clean for 2 months now. Every time you start, after 30 seconds, it will send you up a little different vibration to indicate there's 30 seconds passed. For the clean mode, it will send out 3 intermittent vibration every 30 seconds to give you an indication how long it's going to run. Yet that just send out 1. If you wait for a little bit, another 30 seconds, it send out another small vibration. Yep, here we go. That's how it works. So from 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Those 3 modes, those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modes. There's a specific function built into getting used to your Sonicare toothbrush. Initially it starts with lower vibration, and for the first 14 brushing, and then after that it will become stronger. Personally, I didn't notice this until I read the menu. There's a way you can turn off this function. I don't find it too much useful. The battery is on the bottom. I'll just try this on the bottom, and if you follow the steps, you should be able to open the bottom and get the battery out, or buy a third-party battery from eBay. This set is pretty minimum. You got 2 toothbrush, 1 charger. I don't find the tongue thing much useful. I don't use it. That's about it. Once you plug it in, that's the way you go. And the whole thing is waterproof. You can just raise it down and then pull it, and then or just let it stand on your table. Now you just have seen the unboxing and my experience about using the toothbrush for 2 months. In the next couple sections, I will show you some specific things about the toothbrush. Start with how to clean a specific section and weighting of a couple of components of the toothbrush. Thirdly, I will show you the vibration of each mode. Last but not least, how loud of the sound when the brush is turning on. Stay tuned. So after 2 months of usage, that accumulates some of the dirt from here. Let's just wipe off. There we go. Nice and fresh. Just give you a little bit of indication of how much weight of the toothbrush. Just waiting for 138 gram with the head on. And the glasses weigh for 315 gram. Now you know where to do cleaning and also how much weight for the glass and the toothbrush. In the next section, I will cycle through each of the 5 modes and let you see what's the vibration and hear what's the sound. Clean, white, polish, gum care, sensitive. Now you reach to the end. I hope you enjoyed the video and got what you're looking for.